Ever used Grab to order food or book a ride and wondered, what's the deal with GrabPay and Grab Wallet? Are they the same thing? Different names for the same service? Or something more complex? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the truth and finally understand this confusing duo. Grab, the popular Southeast Asian ride-hailing and on-demand services giant, offers a suite of payment options to make your life easier. But navigating these options can feel like deciphering a secret code. GrabPay and Grab Wallet, two terms often used interchangeably, can leave even the savviest users scratching their heads. Key differences explained. Let's clear things up. GrabPay. Think of GrabPay as your primary payment method within the Grab ecosystem. It's your one-stop shop for all Grab services. You use GrabPay to pay for rides, from car rides to motorbike taxis. GrabPay is your go-to. Order food, whether it's a quick snack or a full-blown feast, GrabPay handles your food deliveries seamlessly. Make in-app purchases, need to top up your mobile data or buy game credits? GrabPay has you covered. Send and receive money, transfer funds to friends and family with ease. Grab Wallet. Now, this is where things get a bit more nuanced. Grab Wallet is essentially your digital wallet within the Grab app. It's where you store and manage your funds before using them for GrabPay transactions. Here's the key takeaway. You fund your GrabPay transactions through your Grab Wallet. Your Grab Wallet acts as a holding account for your GrabPay activities. Think of it like this. Your bank account is like your Grab Wallet. Your debit card linked to that account is like GrabPay. You use your debit card, GrabPay, to make purchases, but the funds ultimately come from your bank account, Grab Wallet. Benefits of using GrabPay and Grab Wallet. So, why bother with this two-tier system? Convenience. Top up your Grab Wallet once, and you're ready to use GrabPay for a variety of services without needing to constantly re-enter payment details. Security. Your Grab Wallet adds an extra layer of security by separating your primary funds from your immediate spending. Promotions and rewards. Both GrabPay and Grab Wallet often come with exclusive promotions, discounts, and loyalty rewards. Tips for optimal usage. Regularly check your Grab Wallet balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds to avoid any declined transactions. Utilize GrabPay for all your Grab-related expenses. Maximize the benefits and rewards. Explore the various payment options. Grab offers a range of funding methods for your Grab Wallet, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and even cash top-ups at designated outlets. While the terms GrabPay and Grab Wallet might seem interchangeable, they represent distinct yet interconnected elements of the Grab ecosystem. Understanding these differences will not only enhance your Grab experience, but also help you make the most of the platform's convenient and rewarding features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.